Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to buy a private server and steal a brain rot. So first things first, you have to log in to your Roblox. Make sure that you are logged into your correct account right here. And then go to the search bar or search icon and then type steal a brain rat and make sure that you have clicked experiences. Tap this one right here. It will take you directly to that game. Now click the steal a brain rot. Tap this one. Once you are here on the game, you have to scroll down till you see create a server. Now, here's the thing. You need this amount of Robux in order for you to create a server. It's not for free. So you need to have at least 79 or 100 Robux more in order for you to create one. Once you have, or if you want to buy, just tap on the buy icon right here. And then after that, you should see this. So basically all you need to do is to add your server name. And then after that, tap on subscribe. Make sure that you have 79 Robux here or more. And after that, tap on customize, and basically that's it. How to buy a private server and steal a brain rot. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.